In a landmark move reflecting deepening defense ties between Europe and Asia, Finnish defense manufacturer Patria has partnered with Japan Steel Works, JSW, to begin production of its AMVXP 8x8 armored vehicle on Japanese soil. The agreement signifies a major milestone in defense cooperation, aligning Japan more closely with NATO standards and bolstering regional defense capabilities amid growing Indo-Pacific tensions. The decision to produce the AMVXP locally demonstrates Japan's expanding strategic role and its commitment to strengthening interoperability with Western allies. With global threats becoming increasingly complex, this production shift is as much about boosting military readiness as it is about cementing long-term industrial and geopolitical partnerships. The AMVXP, Armored Modular Vehicle, Extra Payload, is an advanced 8x8 vehicle platform built for modern, multi-domain warfare. With a payload capacity of up to 13 tons and the ability to carry a 12-member crew, it combines high survivability, tactical flexibility, and digital battlefield integration. Equipped with a powerful 450 kW diesel engine, the vehicle is capable of reaching speeds up to 100 km per hour and offers STANAG 4569 Level 4 ballistic protection. The system's modular nature allows it to be tailored for a variety of missions, whether outfitted with heavy weapon systems like 120mm mortars, remote-operated weapon stations, or anti-tank guided missiles. This adaptability gives Japan's land forces a robust platform suitable for both national defense and coalition operations. The initial phase of this collaboration involves importing key components from Finland, while Japanese engineers, trained directly by Patria, assemble the first batches. Over time, as part of a robust technology transfer program, domestic supply chains in Japan will gradually take over component production, enabling full local manufacturing autonomy. Training for JSW's team began in Finland, where a select group built a complete vehicle under close Finnish guidance. This pilot assembly ensured that Japan's workforce acquired the necessary technical knowledge and production cohesion for seamless domestic rollout, expected to start by September 2025. Strategically, this program doesn't just serve Japan's defense modernization, it positions the country as a future co-producer of NATO standard systems. As the global security environment evolves, Japan's industrial integration with European platforms reinforces transcontinental resilience and opens avenues for shared development of future defense technologies. Japan's current fleet of Type 96 APCs, in service since the 1990s, lacks the advanced modularity and combat systems integration found in the AMVXP. Replacing these outdated vehicles with Patria's next-generation platforms enables the Japanese ground self-defense force to address both present and future operational challenges with enhanced mobility, survivability, and firepower. The AMVXP also supports Japan's broader strategic doctrine, aligning with emerging warfare trends such as distributed operations and resilient force maneuverability. These capabilities are vital for countering threats from near-peer adversaries and ensuring battlefield effectiveness across diverse terrains and conflict scenarios. Patria's initiative in Japan is part of the country's Wheeled Armored Personnel Carrier, WAPC, modernization program. The production deal with JSW not only addresses immediate hardware needs but also establishes a foundation for advanced systems collaboration, such as integrating the Nemo 120mm turret and exploring autonomous vehicle capabilities. On May 21, 2025, Patria reaffirmed that preparations for domestic manufacturing are progressing on schedule. Initial production runs will rely on imported Finnish parts, with the localization of parts and processes increasing steadily as JSW ramps up capacity. In addition to the vehicle's physical deployment, Patria plans to offer long-term support and maintenance services in Japan, ensuring that the AMVXP remains a capable and adaptive force multiplier over decades of service life. This cross-continental partnership showcases more than just military hardware exchange, it represents a durable alliance grounded in mutual trust, industrial synergy, and shared defense objectives. Japan's role is no longer limited to regional security but is expanding to become a pivotal player in collective defense frameworks that span continents. As the global defense landscape pivots toward modularity, digital integration, and interoperability, Japan's AMVXP program could serve as a model for other NATO and allied nations seeking to combine local manufacturing with advanced Western defense systems. The project stands as a vivid example of strategic defense industrial diplomacy. It merges European combat expertise with Japan's precision engineering and signals a forward-looking approach to regional and international security partnerships.